So in this video, I decided to take you with me and just sharing some thoughts and lessons I've learned so far on my personal journey. From an early age, society often lays out a predetermined path for us. A path focused on success, career, and material fulfillment. We pursue ambitious goals we are told are desirable. A good education, a prestigious job, owning a house, and having a perfect family. But are these truly our own desires? For a long time, I didn't question these expectations. I accepted them as my own without really listening to myself. Then one day, I actually began to listen to my inner voice, and it led me to a profound realization. The prescripted life I was following left me feeling empty and unhappy. I understood that my previous goals no longer aligned with my true self. And it was really time to let go of those old notions and make space for new dreams. So now that it's gotten really warm during the days, I really enjoy the mornings. Enjoying the sun when it's not super hot. And I even enjoy it more with this little guy. Nature has always been my sanctuary, a sacred space far from the hustle of the city. There, amidst trees, rivers, and mountains, I found a deeper truth for myself. I felt a longing for a simpler, slower life in harmony with nature. In nature, I found not only peace but also countless lessons about life. So beautiful outside. Resilience is one of the most powerful lessons nature has taught me. Trees withstand fierce storms and still stand tall. Rivers crave their way through solid rocks and plants bloom after the harshest winters. Nature shows us that no matter how tough things get, there is always a way. So I am on my way to get some water, and yeah, this road is super beautiful and you have such an amazing view from here over the valley and the mountains. And I made a quick stop to enjoy the view for a second and show you the view. And it's so quiet here, so I can really hear nothing but birds and the wind. It's beautiful. Being calm and present is another invaluable lesson. The stillness of a forest, the gentle flow of a river, and the quiet of a meadow all teaches us the beauty of slowing down. Nature doesn't rush, yet everything is accomplished. By observing this, I've learned to appreciate the present moment and finding calm in the chaos. Also, gratitude is a feeling that nature evokes effortlessly. The beauty of a sunrise, the melody of bird songs, the fragrance of wildflowers. These simple pleasures fill me with a sense of wonder and appreciation for the world around me. When I decided to leave my own life behind, I went through many fears and doubts. But over time, with the peace that nature provided, I got a sense of feeling that everything will work out in some way, that I will find my own way through this life and everything will be fine. Oh, smells good. Yeah, nature has changed a lot since we arrived here. Now everything is exploding, everything is green and everything is blooming and it's super pretty. Now we have around 25 degrees every day and there are almost no clouds in the sky, so it's a complete opposite from the first week when we arrived here. I really enjoy the warmth and the smell of the flowers. I learned that there is a deeper truth than slowness, that silence can speak louder than the loudest chaos. And when I open my eyes and my heart, the magic of creation reveals itself. Since I'm here in Portugal, I've never managed it to get to the beach. So this weekend I decided to just go for it. So it's not the most beautiful beach as it is directly at the city, but to feel the sand beneath my feet and smelling the salt in the air, hearing the waves, and seeing the ocean was so magical, and I really enjoyed it to be at the ocean for the first time in years. I'm so happy to be at the ocean. Nature also teaches us about interconnectedness and harmony. Every element in an ecosystem plays a crucial role contributing to the balance of the whole. Each day that is given to me, I want to live in deep gratitude, in connection with my inner self, with the forests and mountains, the rivers and the sea. I want to sing with the birds, learn from the plants, and be at peace with the rhythm of the waves. So nice, even if it's not that warm today, but the beach is completely empty and it's just 1 hour drive from our home, so what could I wish for more? After I took a little nap, I came back to the beach with some snacks. And yeah, I spent the rest of the day there just listening to the ocean and enjoying the sunset. When I learned one thing over the last month, it is that no matter where I am, but nature will always feel more like a home to me than a city could ever be.